This video is sponsored by Native. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra and today we are doing a Target haul. Yes, a Target haul. For those of you who don't know, I am from Canada. We don't have Target in Canada, so whenever I am remotely close to the States, I make a trip. This trip in particular is so exciting because Team AG and I are heading to New York tomorrow to make over Bachelor in Paradise couple Joe and Serena's New York apartment. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it because we've already done it, which is super weird because in this present moment, I have not made over their apartment. While we were in New York, I thought a few members of Team AG and I, Alana and Amanda, would go to Target and do a haul and show you what's new and show you what I'm loving and just, we can all revel in the excitement of Target together. Am I right? Today I'm packing, getting all my makeup packed, all my skincare packed. I thought I would actually just do my skincare with you because that sounds fun. I'm doing my skincare as I'm packing. I don't know about you guys, but doing my skincare always reminds me what I need to bring so I don't like forget anything. I would love to know in the comments down below how you guys pack for trips because I have like so many steps to my skincare and like just morning routine that packing it all is usually an undertaking. Noah is always like, sorry, how do you have like 18 toiletry bags? And I'm like, okay, you don't even like moisturize your face, so you don't know how it is. If you do want to see exactly the products I'm using on my face, like a step-by-step skincare routine, I know many of you have asked for that. I usually post my skincare stuff on stories and I go through my routine. This is a Target vlog after all, so I don't want to derail us too much further. Follow me on Instagram for all the like style, skincare stuff, of course home decor as well, but I'm just able to share more about like my daily routine over there. As I'm doing my skincare, I'm packing things, figuring out what I need. I never, ever leave anywhere without my Native deodorant. So excited they're sponsoring this video because this is truly a brand I have used and loved for years. My family members like have me send them my discount code because they are also all hooked on Native deodorant. So years ago, before I actually officially started using Native deodorant, they had asked to work with me and I said, you know what, I have to try the product before I endorse it because honestly, natural deodorants have never worked for me. So they sent me some and ever since then, I've been using Native deodorant exclusively. Now that I use this, I like feel good about it. It also smells incredible. I'm really excited also that Native deodorant has new plastic-free packaging. So it's earth-friendly and 100% plastic free. It comes in this kind of like cardboard tube. I've used this one a lot. This is my favorite scent. So this uses the exact same formula as Native's regular deodorant. It's just in a plastic-free, 100% plastic-free packaging. One of the best parts of Native deodorant for me is that it's aluminum-free, paraben-free, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, and it's made with simple ingredients like coconut oil and shea butter. Ingredients that you recognize and know. I've also been trying their sensitive range. I have quite sensitive skin, so I wanted to give this a try. The sensitive range is made without baking soda for those with sensitive skin, like me. Native deodorant has a 72-hour odor protection. It's great all day wear. I literally make over people's apartments and like sweat a lot and just am very physical in my job. So the fact that I can wear this all day without reapplying is the best. Of course, I have a discount code for you. If you guys want to try Native deodorant for yourself, use my link in the description box below and my code GATOR6 to get 3 deodorants for $26. With my code, you are saving 33% off, which is deal. With my code, you can also get 20% off any body wash or toothpaste. Noah is obsessed with the body wash. We always have to have this stocked. So use my link and my code in the description box down below. I'm gonna continue packing. I'm going to pack the aloe and green tea in my makeup bag, and I will see you guys in New York. So exciting. Action. What? Guys, we made it. Yay. We made it. Woo! Can you please say that
all throughout the trip. Yeah. Can't see it. I can't do it as well as you. Some of the crew is gonna go to Target. One of the crew is gonna go get tools. Another member of the crew is going to get filming gear. I feel like we have the most fun jobs today.
Yeah, we do.
No offense. You guys, we made it. Before you ask, we are at the Target in Harlem, which apparently has been voted the best Target in New York City because it has home stuff and clothing and all the other things. So let's go. You guys excited or what? Yeah. For us Canadians who don't have Target, this is thrilling. Thrilling.
Got my accessories.
Headband shopping.
Do you like it? Do you not like it? Oh, the pink's cute.
The height isn't the moment.
No, it's not. It's like trying to contact life above, you know?
Mm-hmm. That wraps up headband shopping.
No, wait, this is cute. We can make this.
Okay, I like that one a lot.
You do? Is it like butter churner or like?
It is. Carla would love that. Ooh, she doesn't like it.
Okay, okay. This looks too clunky for my taste.
I like the clunk. I think it's cute too.
I'm into it.
You know those colorful bagels?
Yes.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah. This is when I need to FaceTime Graham and be like, this is cute. You tell me. Because I know if he's lying.
Okay, but do you like it? That's what's important here.
No. I looked at myself fully in the, no, I don't.
Should we grab a card?
Yeah.
Absolutely obsessed.
Really? Love
Yep.
it.
They're both great options. Let me see those.
They're both very good.
The black, right? Yeah.
Survey says
Great.
I'll go with these.
This is so cute. Like, I
They're so
need
cute.
this. This is so funny because I saw this on TikTok
Yeah.
and I was like, I need this dress, but I didn't want to order it online in case it didn't fit. So I was like, I need to try it on. And here we are. And then it has like a little bow at the back. Okay, we're approaching the home section. And if anyone's watched a vlog of me in Target before, you know that I get like so excited. We just like don't have anything in comparison in Canada. Stunning.
That is really pretty.
26 by 26. So these are so good against your headboard. Two of them behind, your sleeping pillows behind, and then a lumbar pillow up front. These are the ones. These are beautiful. They're so cute. Outdoor string lights. How beautiful. A book. Let's just move the Monster Energy one. Candle smells amazing. Everything is just, it's too much. I'm obsessed with this. Cute little accent table. All the beautiful vases. These beautiful candles. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. This is a doorstop. I love that. You guys, I'm just like, okay, look at these baskets. So beautiful. With the leather details, you put cutlery in there. I've wanted this bowl forever. Tried to order it online, couldn't get my hands on it. It's the Studio McGee bowl. We're gonna get it for Serena and Joe. I could just like lie here and be like, not just any pillow, pom-pom pillow. And tassels. It's cute, right? And this stool, can you show everyone this stool? $80, a bath mat. But I actually think this would be great as a doormat, and I might buy it. Look at this. Look, I want this.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
$330, but stunning. Ooh, look at this bench. Look at that boucle action there. I feel like if I lived in the States, I'd come to Target at least once a week just for some like self-care time. I find it like really therapeutic.
But don't you think it's like even better because we don't have it?
You're right. Do you come to Target all the time? Or is it just exciting to us because we don't have it in Canada? Let me know. Oh my gosh. Obsessed. Look at this chair and that light. It's all just so stunning.
Don't we need a desk light?
That one?
Yeah.
Putting that in the cart. Putting that in the cart. You're coming with me. Guys, this whole video is just gonna be me going, icon. Look at this. Cute little light. This is adorable. I always love Target's diffuser collection. Look how cute. Love it. I really feel like Target has stepped up their collection of art. Look at this beautiful canvas print. I also love this. Maybe we should get this for them. Ooh, yup. Also, this cute floral print, so beautiful. They have more sizes of the canvas print. Wow, I'm impressed, Target. Really impressed. Beautiful peel and stick. Look at this pattern. Also, as Alana just said, the OG AG print. Let me know in the comments down below if you were here when I used this on my IKEA bookshelf before I even had my own channel. Let me know in the comments. This is our haul from Target. We're going to Serena and Joe's right now, so once we're there, I'm gonna unpack everything and show you what we actually bought. Oh, you got your glasses?
Yeah.
Kris Jenner vibes.
It's like really raining, but I'm
Oh, you still have the UV sticker on them.
perfect.
We are now at Serena and Joe's apartment. We have the full place to ourselves. There's so many boxes. Oh my gosh. We are just gonna start unboxing everything. I wanted to do a little Target haul to show you guys what we just picked up. As always, I just love Target so much and it just makes me happy. And we got so many awesome pieces for like finishing touches for their space. So let me show you. First thing, behind me, this art print. Alana's so funny. She was like, it's very OG AG. And it is, it's like my print, you know? This was on sale, I think for $25, originally $60. It's by Studio McGee and it's this beautiful table lamp. Like how stunning. Has a ceramic kind of finish to it. And yeah, it's gonna work so well in their space. This is also by Studio McGee. It's this beautiful planter. It has a drainage hole too, which is great. Faux greenery. I love Target for faux greenery. This is by Earth and Hand with Magnolia. They always have the best like stems. Also at Christmas, they have really beautiful wreaths. Not sure if we're gonna use this. We're gonna try and find something that's actually real, but I love this. Something like this is really a moment, you know? I have wanted to order this online for so long, but it's always sold out. This beautiful wavy bowl, again by Studio McGee. Maybe style it on the coffee table. Just so pretty. Can you see me? Yeah, also you guys, Carla's setting up all of here. Sorry, this is a bit of a chaotic vlog, but this is the reality. Like we're doing probably the biggest makeover we've ever done.
In another country.
In another country in 2 days. So also if you haven't yet seen Serena and Joe's makeover, I will link it down below, but you should all go watch it. It's weird, like we don't even know what it's gonna look like. We got this little faux plant for Joe's desk, $10. Adorable. Ooh, this next piece is so cool. $25, Studio McGee marble dish. It's super hefty. And I think this would look so beautiful in an entryway as like a catch-all. We don't know what we're gonna do with it yet, but styling pieces like this, you can just never go wrong with them because you can style them in like all different rooms and just move them around. Oh, and we got this candle. Again, really like leaning into this kind of textured theme here.
Textured neutrals.
Yeah, textured neutrals. This was $15 from Studio McGee. Again, one more bag. These were $5 each, bleached palms. They look so real. And we're definitely gonna use these for the makeover too. This cute little vase, this was from Threshold, $10, gray color. I think we're gonna put this on Joe's desk. We might use it as a vase, but you could also use it to hold pens and pencils. And then the last thing we got is this beautiful throw blanket from Earth and Hand with Magnolia, $30, and it has these like peachy tones to it. So if you guys wanna see all this stuff styled in the actual makeover, make sure you check out that video. I don't know when I'll see you guys next, but thank you for coming to my haul. That's it for now. I feel like I could just take a nap, guys.
Got so much more to do.
Okay, bye. Can you put him on speaker?
We're putting on speaker, Graham. We want to get this moment on vlog.
Graham, what happened? I didn't hear you.
I walked past the kid from Stranger Things.
Oh!
Gatton. Dustin.
Dustin!
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so fun. Did you say hi?
I know. I'm sweating and I'm panting.
Yeah.
And, I wasn't scared.
Well, I hate to tell you this, but when you get here, it's gonna be just as hot as outside, and you have a lot to do.
Okay.
Love ya.
Love ya.
Bye.
Bye.